Hi, my dears. It's Chloe here again. Check my description or bio. Today, I decided to take a little time for myself and bring some calm and freshness into my home. A little extra for my favorites? Check the code. I love when everything around me looks clean, soft, and peaceful. It instantly makes the mood lighter. I move slowly, enjoying every motion. There's something soothing about watching the light reflect on clean surfaces. A little extra for my favorites? Check the code. It's almost like a little meditation. Cleaning, for me, is not just about order. It's about energy. When everything shines and smells fresh, it feels like your mind becomes clearer too. So let's take it slow together. Breathe, relax, and enjoy this simple, cozy moment. Because even the smallest details can make your day a little more beautiful.